Funky socks. Let's get funky.
Funky socks.
Let's get funky.
I'm just going there somewhere just for 1 minute.
So today, guys, we have this potty, and we'll be potty training with Funky.
Ew.
So for you little Funky fans, we're going to teach you how to use the potty. P-O-T-T-Y. Potty. But I don't need to use the potty because I'm a sock. Lucky me. But all you little fans need to use the potty to go wee wee and poo poo. And caca. I think that's right. And caca. Hey, fantastic. What are you doing?
Is poo?
No, that's not poo, that's slime.
So I'm not gonna bring real poo, right?
No, just stick to that. That's cool.
Okay.
So basically, fantastic. You try to tell me that you want to use it as purple poo. Oh, yeah, alien poos like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you're touching his poo.
Get off me!
Oh.
I'm already dirty. I need to go for a wash.
Fantastic. Oh my gosh. So guys, remember, you must never touch poo. You're not an adult if you're finished in the potty, because that is just disgusting.
I'm just going to go and wash myself.
You know what? I'm going to take this and just wash it as well. I'm back, guys, and I've cleaned the potty.
Where's the poo?
You mean what poo? There's no poo inside that.
The purple one.
Oh, I thought you agreed it's going to be slime.
Now, this time I will take the potty.
I don't think so. Fantastic.
Tug of war. Oh, yeah.
Why does this always happen?
But when did you get even stronger? Like, really? You're much
Just yesterday.
stronger.
So, guys, now you know how to potty train. Your parents will teach you more about it soon when you're older. And when you're older, you get to use the big toilet. It will look a bit like this, but it's bigger for big children.
No.
Oh, fantastic. You didn't get that back again. So remember, guys, put your botty on the potty. So remember, guys, hit the subscribe button and get funky.
A stinky, stinky. A stinky, stinky.
A stinky, stinky. A stinky, stinky.
I got the poo again. Help me.
Click the subscribe button and get funky. Sorry?